Hey, Tony Dom here, and today I'm talking about the Strikemaster. We got her home, obviously. Hopefully all of you have enjoyed the video of that, and I'll tell you, this plane flew magnificent. But while I'm waiting on some things to happen, we're getting ready to redo the avionics suite, we're getting ready to do brakes, and then we're going to get this thing up in the air, start getting some videos, start having some fun throwing it around, doing what this plane was designed to do. I'm gonna be honest with you, when I bought this airplane, I was thinking, okay, you know, the paint's all right, but it's not really where I want it, and so we're probably gonna end up having to repaint the airplane. But you know what, my team looked at this and we all kind of looked around and said, you know what, this thing's got good paint, it just needs some love. We started a multi-stage buffing process, high-speed compounding, a lot of polishing, and then ceramic coating, and I'll tell you what, this airplane came to life. And so we did some metal polishing, we did polishing on the canopy. This paint job, I couldn't be happier with it. It is a proper Warbird finish. It's shiny, but not too shiny, and it looks authentic, and I really, really like that. So the next thing we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be starting to put a lot of the missing, it needs ejection stickers, it needs our names on it. It's missing a lot of the authentic verbiage that would have been on the airplane and different things telling people what to do, what not to do, where to do it. And so we're gonna be getting all that stuff, basically getting it replacarded and getting it all dolled up that way, because I think that really adds a lot to the airplane. So it's really coming to life. And then the next thing we're gonna be doing is getting in the canopy and doing some detail restoration work in the canopy. We're getting her all taken care of, and we'll be back to flight status here real soon.